Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Starlink. Stay tuned. Now, Starlink is a satellite internet constellation developed by SpaceX, the company founded by Elon Musk. And their goal is basically to provide high-speed internet connections across the world, especially in areas that have, limited or no internet service provider. So let's check it out. So I'm in Kingston, Jamaica. I do own my own online business. If you follow me on this channel or on social media, you do know I'm in the travel industry and I work from home. So this has been suggested to me for years and I didn't care enough to get it, to be honest, until I came to a breaking point with my internet service provider, which is Flow. If you know, you know. I've had important things to do and Flow is like, not today, sometimes even not tomorrow. So I decided, having that backup internet connection is a necessity for me. Okay, so it works. I love that this is available to everyone right across the country. If you don't have access to major internet service providers, Flow or Digicel, this can be an option to consider. I also love that it's portable and has a mobile subscription option. So if I have to work away from home, up in the mountains or on a beach somewhere, it's something I could carry to another location. It can also be an option for events. Let's say you're hosting a party or a meeting outdoors and you want to give access to a group of people. This might be an investment or something you could even create an income from by, let's say, renting it out. There's a business idea. The device can also be mounted, so for residential users, even businesses too, you have that option of mounting the device to your roof, for example. The cons are, it's obviously the more expensive option. It's wired, so you have a cable that connects from the router to the dish with a length of about 50 feet. So it's definitely not for everybody. I wouldn't say this would suit someone living like in an apartment complex. Let's say you're on a 20-floor apartment building and you're on the 5th floor. Then it might be a challenge unless you have like a balcony or access to the roof. But overall it works, and I hope this was helpful to somebody. Alright, so that's my review. Once again, I'm in Kingston, Jamaica. Let me know where you're located, if you've tried the Starlink, how you like it. Go ahead and drop a comment below. I just want to take this time out to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. To all my new subscribers, I do hope that you will come back. Thank you so much for the support. To my returning subscribers, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next vlog. Bye guys.
Success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down,